Right, round 2 here at the preserve here in Richfield on the 9th day of July 2023. So I'm gonna walk across this. I think this is relatively new, I have no idea, but you can walk over there too as well. Maybe we'll come back around and go over there, I don't know idea, but it's kind of cool. Across. A lot of things you can do. And walk over here. Kind of windy, but I like it. So it's hot, but not stifling. Hang on a second. Gotta make sure I get this thing on. Well, deal with this new mic I had to get. The other one busted on me. That's not as long as the other one, but I see something moving over here in the lake, over here in the little pond over here. Something right in there. There's a turtle. There he is. He's cruising right along. See him over there? He's a mud turtle. He's kind of climbing up there, hanging out for his dear life. All kinds of birds and fun stuff. Right in the middle of Minneapolis. The beauty of this is it's all free. It doesn't cost you a damn thing. You can kind of see out there, if you can see those turtles out there on that piece of wood out there. You see right over there. See them on there? They're on their sunbathing, I always call it. There probably are fish in this, some kind of a sunnies or something on this. Muddy as hell. You know damn well when it rains, a lot of rain, the thing floods. Let's see, I was over there when I first started, way over there. Whatever the hell it is. Nice crowd down here, a lot of people walking around. As long as I can stay in the shade, the sun won't get it too bad. Keep on walking, cross the bridge to somewhere, right? Because it goes a long ways, I believe, all the way around over there. It's not very deep. I don't think so. Now you can tell. When I came out in the winter time, they didn't do. Oh, here's a nice size right here. He's a pretty big one. Not big, but him down there. How you doing, sweetie pie? It's a big one. How you doing down there? Hanging out? He's sunbathing. All kinds of different, like I said, you can come down there with, I don't know, elementary kids come down here and point out things to them. The turtles, the birds. Good to expose anybody to things they don't know about, nature, landmarks, whatever you can do. It's a good thing. So. been a fun thing to build. It would have been easy. Nice day for a walk, huh?
Yeah, sure is. Sure is.
He was pointing at something down here. Oh, there's a little turtle down there. See him down there? There's your. He has a zoom on this, but it's not easy to work with. Unlike my flip camera, it's really easy. So there he is, hanging out down here. So let's go to the left. Maybe we'll go. The left, we'll kind of go over the other area and work our way back. The rest area right here. Have a seat. Marie and Steve Duane. In every walk within nature, we see far more than we seek. So true. So I'll be able to get the first two on this battery. I did two other ones. Did a couple porta-potty runs in this battery, so we'll be able to put the other one in and get other stuff done. So kind of dried up. You can kind of tell it's been kind of dry. Besides the rain we had on 4th of July. Nice day for skiing, huh? Look at the ski poles. It's supposed to be a joke. Don't give me that dirty look like I've been an idiot. I have no idea what these are. No, I like the DJI as well, but this is just more of a easy one. The DJI is fun, but it's a very picky camera. I'm very careful. My sunglasses back on. More sunnier out here, so I thought out here. Wind feels good, man. The other way over there, and that bridge over there, and I think I can continue to walk that way, which I might. Walk over that way. What the hell? Yeah, we've had a kind of a dry, I don't know. It rained on 4th of July, it poured, and then, you know, we haven't had like steady rain in the spring, so my yard's slowly getting better, but not like it should have been. So it's kind of dry down here. Trying to, you know. You don't feel like you're in the middle of Minneapolis, St. Paul. Alan Jackson said before he was impressed with the things that we had, the amenities here in Minnesota. He liked Lake Harriet and Calhoun. His tour manager took him over there. So when he came to town, he made a note to make an extra day for Hart, the Wilson sisters, when they were touring 15 years ago. Spread the tour out so when they would go to like any state they could see things on the way instead of just rushing from one to the next, because there's a lot in this country you can see every state. So now I'm kind of getting some shade in here. Might be shutting off here pretty soon. We'll see what happens. So you can go back that way if you want. But I think we'll go this way. Shall we? An old tree that fell down over there. There's a lot of families that come out here, kind of hang out here. It's a poison ivy back in there, man. How old these things are, my God. But anyways, guys, well, we got a nice little battery on this one. So Wood Lake Nature Center. Where am I? It's I'm supposed to, should be somewhere. If I start over there and I walked across there, so I'm somewhere over here. But anyways, guys, 6710 Lakeshore Drive, Richfield. Alright, let's go on to the next video. Hope you enjoyed it. Talk to y'all later. Ciao.